All right, everybody, we're gonna go for a ride now in our 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Nice thing about this, everywhere you go, you usually see a 66 Mustang, but instead this time you get to see a 65. Nice feature about this too is you see that there's no antenna in the front, it's actually in the back. With this car, you get a power top, you get a new radio, nice little wooden wheels, you can see it from the front here. And all our original gauges here except the radio. Still blast some pretty nice tunes here, if I do say so myself. Yep. And of course, during school, we can't go as fast, but we like to give you a pretty good driving video. We're going through all the gears nice and smooth up here. Our brakes are handling really well. Our wheel is not turning in any other direction but forward. Pretty sweet Mustang, your basic classic car. But anyway, we're gonna get her turn around up here, get her on the lift, and let you guys take a look.